Good, let's start with Tableau. So Tableau being a most preferred visualization tool in industry. So you can download your free trial of 14 days from this website address www.tableau.com, and you can put your business ID. From there you can get your access of the tool. So I'm having tool with me. Let me show you the interface. This tool will be look like this. From your left side, you will be having a connection object. This is connections options, you can say. We are having a pretty big list of sources which we can connect on this Tableau part for data visualization. Primarily, we'll cover key things. We start with managing data source, managing Tableau worksheets, creating custom calculations, analyzing data using static tools, sorting and filtering data Tableau, and defining group and set, creating private tables and cost tabs, formatting Tableau visualizations, creating basic charts, and annotating the formatting charts, mapping geographic data. Look like if you are having any data of state, city, country, and all, you can plot as it is in any geo map. And finally, we'll end up with the dashboard and actions. Small, crisp program is there, so it helps you to do the hands-on the product and get the effective visualization done with your data. Let me take first thing first. So first thing, we are saying importing data in Tableau. So importing, there are more than 20 plus or 30 plus data sources are there from where you can extract your data in Tableau. For this session per se, I'm referring data from Excel, so that it is easily available with you at your desktop to practice on. You will be getting this all data source downloadable on this application, so you can download and do practice in parallel. So for importing data, so we are in two cases, say connecting data sources. So we have two options. Either we can connect data in different data sources altogether, or we can have data in shared data sources. So see the difference. Let me show you a picture. So taking examples, I am having one data source of DS1, where I am having connection of a global store, which internally having 3 subsheets. So that is, I'll say, so under this global sheet, I'm having orders sheet, then I have people sheet, then I have a return sheet. And this new people, I'm having only single sheet, that is people only. And this region XLS, I'm having one sheet only, that is region only. Depending on case, you can take a call for data analytics. So first and foremost, let's take the call with we are sharing a same data source. There is an advantage of sharing same data source, that we can make query between the sheets, or we can get data from different sheets which is available in same data source. Let me show you the case. So first I'll take this global store as a data source. So I created a data source. So here I'm having 3 sheets with me. First one is order, people, and return. So if I drag it, you'll be able to see the data part. If you drag more than one data sheets, you'll be able to get this option of getting joins. If both the sheets are having some common columns, then this you'll say connection or join would be there automatically. And if you find that even data is common in 2 columns, but column names are not common, so in that case you can do it manually, mapping of columns. By default is inner join. You can change left, right, full outer join depending on need. So default I recommend inner join, where we are saying data which is common in both should be there as an output. And similarly, you can drag multiple sheets. If you think there's inner joints are there between data, you can get the data done. That's a normal case which is available. So let me remove this for time being. I'm taking order only. I'm in same connection. I'm saying I'm adding one more file. I'm getting let's see. Let me take people. So here I am having both the files accessible. From this sheet I can have this subsheets. From this sheet I am having this paper. So if you think from this sheet I drag order, and from this connection I am putting people there. So we can make connection, or we can reuse data of two connection into a single data panel if both are sharing same data source. If you are having same data source, you can make join between two file sheets. That's a case which is available. Again, if you are saying if you are having different data sources, then this connection would not be possible. This inner join would not be possible. You have to go for data blending. We'll see what is data blending. Okay, before you go for new data source, let me show you from few options available on this panel. One is connection is there. We are having live and extract option there. Live, we say we are extracting data direct from the file. Extract means we are copying data in my Tableau data engine, and we are making reports from there only. So both the options there, depending on need, you can take a call. Then on corner right side, you are having add filter add option. Once you click add, you will be getting option of saying on the basis of which column you want filter to be. I say country should be, I say I'm more focused on analyzing India part, so I'll say okay. So in that case, this data will get filtered based on India only. If I click OK, so see, few number of rows would be there. Earlier there was more than 1000 rows were there in this join. So if you think before going into this plotting and reporting, you can reduce your data to be very precise, focus on your presentation part. So if you don't want, you can remove it. Click on edit, then select to filter, and then click remove. Done. Good. We are back to your normal data. So that's a data joining if you are sharing same data source. If you are saying I am having separate data source altogether, I say new data source. I say again, this time I'm saying region is there. Also okay. So here I don't have option of getting back to my different data, previous data source, so that I can drag the previous files. So this is a altogether new data source. So let me name it region, or you can say region return DS. You can name anything. It's completely on you. So because this name will be helpful to you while you are making your chart visible. So like click on this sheet on bottom available. So here you can see this. We are having two data sources with us. First is order plus other which you are dragged, and the second one is region which you are recently dragged. So for making the connection between this, because now these are belong to different data sources, then we are having option of data blending available. So if you choose your data blending, so we can have the option join. Let me take one case. So we are having edit relationship, data edit relationship. So we are saying we are having two data sources. One is order, other is region. So as in both order ID, I should not take as a join condition. I want region should be utilized to make a join between two data sources. I say okay, good to go. So I drag. Let me say I'm using first data source. From there, let me take the region source. I drag region on rows. I'm getting region from this table. I say from second data source, or which is the previous one, I say sales should be there. So we are seeing this link is there. This orange link is there. So it indicate we are currently using data blending. So one of the source, which is the primary, from where you first drag your data, would be normal case. In other data source, you are getting this icon that you are using different data source altogether. So data source can be shared by different connection. Then you can have option data join. But if data source are different and still you want to make a join between two sheets of two data sources, then you can go for data blend.